Welcome to RoadTec. I'm Tim Lewis, Director of Operations. At RoadTec, we build asphalt equipment that removes the asphalt and puts the asphalt back down. We're a company that is 37 years old. We are dedicated to the success of our customers. We start with service and we end with service. As we gain efficiency in our processes, we are able to pass the savings on to our customers. SigmaTEK has played a large role in helping us with this process.
My name is Nick Hickman. I'm the MIS Operations Manager here at RoadTec. Before using SigmaTEK, we used a product called SigmaTEK Systems. It was AutoCAD based, so we had to pull in the parts individually off a AutoCAD drawing. We had to go line by line through a blue bar report, pulling in the parts, and that usually took us 3 or 4 days. But with SigmaTEK, we're able to run a BOM file. It pulls in all the parts. Now we're able to turn over a product in about a day. With SigmaTEK, we're able to track our remnants better. The old way we did it was whatever plate we didn't use, we just cut that off, put it out in the backyard, and whenever we wanted to use that plate, we had to go out, measure the plate, come back in, draw it in the system. SigmaTEK has allowed us to, as soon as the program's ended, we track that remnant in our remnants library. It saved us money there. It also helps us track the scrap utilization better. And there's even a report that allows us to see how our scrap percentage is going. It shows what remnants we're using and how we're using those remnants. And it really, the boss really loves that part.
The future for us would be automation. That's what we're trying to get to. We have been using SigmaTEK for a couple of years, and now we're using Load Manager and Color Offload, which are 2 other products SigmaTEK offers. We bring in large assemblies, and so that causes a lot of paperwork that's just not working for us. So Color Offload allows us to have communication with the shop. They will have a tablet out there where they can see what is scheduled next, what the nests look like, part numbers, etc. And if there is a problem with anything, they can literally touch the tablet, send it right back to us, and let us know that, hey, there was an issue with this and what the issue was. And that way we can put it in our next nest with that material grade, thickness, etc. Getting rid of all the paperwork with Color Offload has been very helpful. Load Manager is a great tool. It allows us to have a visualization on the shop floor of what to run next. It helps with the workload to find out where we're having too much product being ran at. We need to spread the load out to other machines in order to get the parts out in a more timely manner. If we have to make a repair to a nest, something we messed up, or even they're wanting to add a part, we can go to Load Manager, see where it's at in the queue, pull it, fix it, add the part, whatever we need to do, and then queue it back.
Thank you for visiting with us today. SigmaTEK has been a partner with RoadTec for 10 years. Their software lines up well with our business model, and we look forward to working with them for many years to come.